we played this for only like 1 minute, so we're so new.
Bro, with 12 ships.
No, yeah,
Hello.
yeah, you get one shift every second. So we're we only play this 12 seconds. Hello, Ski. Hello, Ski. Bro, I can't.
Oh, we can't hear each other. Maybe this.
What do you, Bronski?
Oh, I know what to do. You should get the coffee and wait for the coffee guy. Because ano naman, nagka-count out when you.
Okay.
But you should drink it.
Okay. No. No.
Hurry up, broski!
Brunyon. Can I get a brunyon?
Wait, what color am I? Am I yellow?
Yeller, yeah.
You're
No, I'm not pink. I'm blue. Because my favorite color blue. What's up? No, I was talking to the patient who is a deer, and bro is so depressed. Why are you? Why do you have eye bags, bro? Skin. Your skin is bro skin. Your type of skin is bro skin. Okay. You're a
why are
bro
you always
skin.
tired, broski?
I know. Bronyon. I'm gonna be the best because you're so lazy.
Because you're the secretary ng a nerd.
Haha.
Nacho.
Eye drops. Eye drops. Ay, may lagi.
No.
Do-
We're bunnies.
We're panis?
We're
What?
bunnies.
What is panis?
Bunny!
Oh, we're a bunny. You hate bunnies. You hate yourself. I'm the best
Yeah, shut
because
up.
you're the.
Get the coffee.
No. What the heck? But Philip, what the heck? Stop.
Yeah, get it.
Wait.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
Wait
Get
it, you
it.
Bronski.
It's nothing.
I don't know.
Or is that? What the heck was nothing?
Wait. Wait. I drink two
I will look up.
Bronyanski. Hi, Ski. Hi, Ski. Ow.
Hey, don't kill my patient.
I'm killing your patient because he's hungry. He's hungry. Oh, he's not hungry. Stop. Are you? This is the doctor. This is the doctor. What the heck? Blood. I need it. Oh, wait, the coffee.
Uh,
Yeah.
wait, I'm the best.
Oh, wait, coffee. Run from accounting.
No, do you hear that?
What?
Or is that big?
What do you want? I don't hear the knocking, you stupid bongbong. The end of shift 4 is ambulance, right?
Run trauma something. You need surgery, don't you?
Yeah, I always need surgery. Why do you always need surgery? Ow. Bronchoncho. Bronchoncho. Bronchoncho.
Headache. First medicine.
Ah! What the heck? What? That's Bronyon. This is not.
What is that?
Ah!
Run. Oh, run! Ah, run! Barney!
Oh, I have that. I have the coffee. Mm. Thanks, friend. I need it. Why is bro naked? Ate, look!
Ah, what the?
Why is bro naked? Ew.
Bronyon.
Ate, coffee.
No, shut up.
Shut up. Taser. Still here? Huh.
I don't look up.
Stop! The last guy got eaten by the bed monster. This is why I always carry maple. Oh! The the he said that's why I always carry maple syrup.
Oh.
That's why. That's why you need maple syrup from the bed monster. He said it. Ate, shoot! Oh no! What the? How are we gonna do this? Ah! There's a fire! I need those people. Broski! Oh, it's over here! Ah! Ah! Oh my god! No! Broski! Brontoto! Oh, Brontoto. Brontoto. Ah! The critical patient! Ah! Ah! Stop! We got this. So what in the broski going on? What? Oh my god. No cop. That's a cop. Ah! Oh my god. Surgery. Okay. I'm lagging. I'm hungry! Oh my god. You Bronski. You should post that. I'm hungry. Oh, I hear what? I hear something. Oh! Do you still have coffee? Yeah, I still have coffee. What in the Bronski? Yeah, I'm doing it. Gonna do it. Stop! Open it, you Bronski! English. Ow. Ow. What the heck?
What the? I have 600.
What the heck? I have 600 too. Faster printers.
Then, God. I will
Yeah.
buy.
You buy it.
You have enough.
Yeah, I have enough.
You buy it.
What if I
How much sanity do you have?
42?
Okay. Do you still have coffee?
What? Yeah. Oh.
Why do you have...
Oh, Barney, Barney, Barney! Here's your coffee, Barney! Barney, Barney, my goat! Barney! You're not naked anymore. Thank you.
Lol.
Hello, friend! Can we get another coffee? Yeah, sure. You are the...
I know, right?
That's for a favor, friend?
Yeah, I will give you that.
Can you keep the suitcase for a while? Okay, accept. Accept and don't turn him in.
Yeah.
Barney.
Go in there.
Where?
Go in there. Go
I'm
in there.
scared!
It's right there. Go, go!
I killed him.
Okay, thank you. Broski, you have a gun.
I'm scared still. Did bro just poop twice? Bro pooped twice!
Oh, diarrhea!
Diarrhea! Oh. Bro, the program.
Hello. Rat?
No. Finally, broski, here. Another coffee for you. Like, Lion, my friend, I would love coffee right now. Oh, camera?
I need to ask you, hello. Can you use the camera? Take a picture of me?
Should
Yeah.
shutters?
Yeah.
What? But don't look at it.
You can go.
Oh. Oh, what the heck? Fuck. It's really art. Thanks for the photo. Bro's an anomaly. Hello, friend. Hello.
Broski.
Oh, finally. Oh, no,
AFK?
AFK? Can I bother you? A scalpel? Okay.
From the surgery.
Oh, it's from the surgery.
Mga pwede mamaya. What do you need this for?
I know. Why do you need this? I know. I'm not
Please
alone.
don't kill me. Lol.
Why can't I? Okay, fainted. Oh, can. Look, fainted. Where's the others? I'm the shooter now. I'm not.
Lol.
Ay,